I'm Joe Moose with Moose Pharmacy. I've been working in the pharmacy business all my life, but I've been in Moose Pharmacy as a pharmacist for 21 years now. When I first became a pharmacist, my brother and I became a pharmacist, we had the original location, which started in 1882 by my great-grandfather. And then we opened up a pharmacy and a medical clinic, a multi-specialty clinic. And we now have 6 pharmacies, including a compounding-only pharmacy. Some are freestanding, some are in medical clinics. I think we've also done a really good job of taking our pharmacy outside of the 4 walls of our pharmacy and actually branching and putting pharmacists in medical clinics, having pharmacists who are working at the hospital with discharge planners in terms of the transition of those patients from the hospital to the home, and a lot of clinical services that aren't offered by most of the pharmacies out there.